Hey fellow gamers, welcome to Gaming Basics, your one-stop solution for mastering the essentials. Let's dive in and level up together. In this video, I'm going to show you how to get Cabbage in Genshin Impact. To do so, first need to launch your game via the Epic Games launcher. Then once you're in-game, search for a general goods store, which is signified by this sack icon right here. Go near it, and then press F to talk to the NPC. And then press what do you have for sale here, and then search for Cabbage, which is right over here. Click on it, and on the bottom right side of your screen, you'll see an option called Purchase. Click on it. As you can see, this item is going to cost me 105 Mora. So to go through with the purchase, click on this Purchase button, and the item will be added to your inventory. If you found this video helpful, please give us a thumbs up. And if you have any questions for us, please feel free to mention us in the comment section down below. Also, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest guides and tutorials. This has been your host Ace. Happy gaming!